There is a company, Aurora, that makes the software, this platform for autonomous trucks. And those autonomous trucks right now are running routes in Texas. Now, they're limited routes. They're specific routes, and they're specific between the two cities. But they're now expanding into Phoenix, and they're expanding into, I forget the other area. If you're a truck driver, that's kind of concerning.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
But so if I'm a truck driver, and I was a truck driver, I drove cross country. I drove teams with my dad for Schneider National. And if I was a truck driver, I wouldn't ignore that. I would be saying, okay, they're still going to need people in the trucking industry. They're still going to need drivers. How fast is this going to be in my world to where my job is at risk? And what do I have to transition to? Because think about it. It may be that autonomous trucks go from point A to point B, but now you need specialized guys to take them from the drop yard to the shipper or receiver. Right? And so now you're more of doing local stuff. Now you don't have to go over the road. Does that open up a role? Does it not? I don't know. But those are the things I'd start thinking about. I'd start looking at it. Now, if I'm a few years away from retirement, or probably 5 years away from retirement, maybe 10, I'm not so concerned about it. But if this is my career and I've got trucks on the road, now if I'm a truck owner, a business owner, now I got a different perspective as how I got to think about it, right? So you have to figure out how AI can enhance what you're doing. And if it's going to eliminate or change your role, you have to understand that. Because if you don't, what's going to happen is you will be dictated to. You will have no say in anything because you're just the passive person that resisted. And you may be somebody that says, okay, now I got to change roles altogether, right? Now, I don't want to scare people and say that they got to run out and start looking for jobs. I'm just saying that is part of the AI race. How do you integrate it into your life as an individual? Your race is integration. Your race is adaptation.